So this is my old X-Pipe, all right? I was gonna sell it to my boy Marcos, but I don't know if I should. I don't even know if I should sell this to any of you guys, but the problem that we ran into last night, well, these guys, this is my old X-Pipe that I installed with my friends in their driveway about a year and a half ago, or like 2 years, right? It was in 2016.
Yeah.
So that was like 2 years ago.
Jake?
Yeah, no, I was gonna reuse these O2 sensors from my X-Pipe and put them on my new X-Pipe. But 2 years ago, when we were doing this install, we put them on way too tight, like way too tight. And pretty much when these guys were trying to take off this O2 sensor, it just wasn't going, man. And when they finally fucking, boom, they got it out. Look at this. Look at that.
Look at that, Jake.
Look at that, Jake.
Nick, Evan,
no,
look
man,
at that.
Hey, I really appreciate you guys helping me out because there's no way I could have put that exhaust by myself. Even though we struggled.
Ooh, it's
Yo,
cool.
we gotta hurry up with this. But yeah, man, this is pretty much toast. I pretty much have no O2 sensors in my new X-Pipe right now. So, I mean, I don't really need to put these O2 sensors in my X-Pipe because my tune shut them off. I don't need this O2, I don't need to buy new ones. Like, these are not gonna work. And right now I just have like holes in my exhaust because I just need to plug them. So we got some plugs, baby. We're gonna go home, I'm gonna plug them, and everything should be good. But this right here was a little mistake that we did. It's crazy how a little mistake can just
Come back to Hansha.
Bro, yeah, right, come back to Hansha, dude. I mean, it's not really a big deal because I don't need to buy O2 sensors like I thought I did. I mean, I'm not getting any codes right now. I don't got no check engine light or nothing. I did a cold start earlier. Yo, that sounds so much better. For some reason, it's not like obnoxious. Like before, my cold start was super obnoxious, but now it's fucking good. And of course, it's raining now, dude. You know what? I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna put some nasty clothes on because it's raining, and I'm pretty sure I'm small enough to get underneath my car and quickly just, you know, the exhaust should be good to go. I just need to retune. So I mean, tonight we can take it out and not do like full throttle, but we can hit the exhaust.
For sure.
Yeah, for sure. So we're gonna drive home. I kind of want a milkshake right now, so.
Dude, that sounds smart.
Right. Seatbelt?
Yeah, I got my seatbelt on. No question about that.
Oh man. So I plugged the holes. Did you hear that?
Oh yeah, she farted.
I plugged the holes. I don't need a new pair of rear O2s. I still need to retune it, so I'm not gonna go crazy right now. Plus, it was raining all day. The streets are not very
Street racing worthy?
nah, real streets, bro. We'll just see how it sounds like. I'm not gonna do like a full review right now because I just want to wait till I get this new tune. I'm waiting for them to email me the tune. Then I need to load it up, do a little data log. Dude, that sounds completely like. It actually has a tone now. Like
Meter tone.
I thought having my resonators off would make it like way too raspy, yo, that's not even passing 3K RPM, bro. What?
That's not? Man, what's up?
That's like hitting 3K RPM and shifting, bro.
That's just loud.
Dude, I want to do a pull so bad, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna save myself. I'm not gonna pass 3K. I'm gonna shift right at 3K. All these shifts are like 3,100. Alright, I'm not passing that. I'm gonna take it easy, dude. I'm not gonna like be that guy.
I mean, you are that guy. That guy, man.
Yeah, I am that guy, but I'm not gonna be that guy. That guy in West Palm Beach that everyone hears.
I mean, that makes more sense, man.
What? Why'd you say you kind of mumbled?
That had to make more sense.
Oh, yeah.
Shit.
It's a little more poppy, but. Yes, that is the sound that I was looking
with the new headers, you know.
Wasn't even about like.
This video is about you, Jake, you, Nick, and you, Evan.
Yo, nah, bro. Don't.
Do it.
He's just giving you a hard time, man. I gotta thank you guys for even helping me out because I couldn't have done that myself. I should be getting the tune Thursday. I'm flying to Mexico tomorrow I'm flying to Mexico tomorrow for a very special reason, I guess. I'm coming back the next day, on Thursday. I should have the tune. I'll load it up. I'll make the video the same day. I'll just do some pulls, get my initial reaction, and then upload it that same day. A
little surprise for the next upload on Thursday.
It's nothing car related.
Nothing car related. Nothing car related.
Don't think I supercharged.
No supercharged on here yet. No. But
dude, I don't know what they're gonna say, dude.
The next thing is, it's a big thing. Might want to put this away. All right. That shit's loud. You can't do 4? Not 4?
I'm gonna like go around and I'm gonna just cruise it and let me know how loud it is.
Alright.
I'm not gonna step on it. I'm just gonna go here and go around.
I got you.
Come back this way.
I got you.
Cruise it. Just so the subscribers can hear me cruising.
Yeah, that's not that loud.
It's not that loud. Maybe because I didn't have enough space to get up in RPMs. The next video will be me loading the new tune and then getting my initial reaction, my raw, straight, first time reaction of me like flooring the car. I'm really excited. I really haven't done it. Oh yeah, you hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's alright. I'll get that figured out. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Content is gonna get crazy. I'm gonna do this daily vlog shit, man. Well, I'm gonna attempt to do this daily vlog shit. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm just gonna rev it up to 4. I'm just gonna rev it up all the way, bro.